Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on many people's minds: jobs that make six figures. Whether you're fresh out of college, considering a career switch, or just curious about what's out there, we've got you covered. We're counting down the top 5 high-paying jobs that can earn you $100,000 or more annually. These careers not only offer financial rewards but also come with opportunities for growth, job security, and personal fulfillment. Let's get started. Number 5. Software engineer. In the digital age, software engineers are the backbone of nearly every industry. They design, develop, and maintain the software systems that power our daily lives, from mobile apps and video games to complex enterprise solutions used by Fortune 500 companies. The role of a software engineer is incredibly versatile, allowing professionals to work in various industries, including tech, finance, healthcare, and even entertainment. Education and skills. Most software engineers hold at least a bachelor's degree in computer science, software engineering, or a related field. Some may even pursue advanced degrees or specialized certifications to stay competitive in the rapidly evolving tech landscape. Key skills include proficiency in programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, or JavaScript, along with a strong understanding of algorithms, data structures, and system design. Experience with tools like GitHub for version control, Docker for containerization, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud is increasingly valuable in today's job market. Salary. The average salary for a software engineer in the United States is around $110,000 per year, but with experience and specialization, this figure can easily climb to $150,000 or more. Engineers working in high-demand fields like artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, or cybersecurity often command even higher salaries. In tech hubs like Silicon Valley, New York, or Seattle, it's not uncommon for experienced software engineers to earn well over $200,000, especially with stock options and bonuses. Why it pays well. The demand for software engineers continues to grow as technology advances and becomes integral to every aspect of business and daily life. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for talented engineers who can create and maintain the software that keeps them competitive in the market. Whether it's developing a new app, improving security protocols, or optimizing a company's IT infrastructure, software engineers play a critical role in driving innovation and efficiency. Career path. Software engineers often start as junior developers and can advance to senior positions, lead engineers, or even managerial roles. Some transition into specialized roles such as DevOps engineers, solutions architects, or data engineers, each of which offers unique challenges and higher earning potential. Others may move into product management, where they can oversee the development of entire products or systems. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, starting their own tech company or developing a successful app can lead to significant financial rewards and personal satisfaction. Before we continue, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 4. Data scientist. As organizations collect more data than ever before, they need experts to analyze and interpret this information to make informed business decisions. Data scientists are at the forefront of this trend, using their skills to turn raw data into actionable insights. They work in a variety of industries, including finance, healthcare, retail, and technology, helping companies understand customer behavior, improve operations, and create new products. Education and skills. To become a data scientist, a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and computer science is essential. Most data scientists have at least a master's degree in a related field, though some may hold a PhD, especially in research-intensive roles. Proficiency in programming languages like Python and R, as well as knowledge of SQL for database management, is crucial. Data scientists must also be skilled in data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even advanced libraries in Python such as Matplotlib or Seaborn. Machine learning, a key component of data science, requires a solid understanding of algorithms and their applications. Salary. Data scientists earn an average of $120,000 per year, with top professionals in the field making upwards of $160,000 annually. Salaries can vary significantly depending on the industry, with tech companies often offering the most lucrative packages. Senior data scientists, particularly those with expertise in machine learning or AI, can earn well over $200,000, especially in competitive markets. Why it pays well. Data is often referred to as the new oil, and those who can harness its power are in high demand. Companies are willing to invest heavily in data scientists who can provide insights that drive business growth, optimize operations, and improve customer experiences. The ability to predict trends, understand market dynamics, and develop data-driven strategies is invaluable in today's competitive business environment. Career path. Data scientists can move into senior roles, such as lead data scientist or chief data officer. Some may choose to specialize further, becoming machine learning engineers, AI specialists, or data architects, where salaries can be even higher. Others might transition into data engineering, focusing on building the infrastructure needed for large-scale data processing. In some cases, data scientists might even move into executive positions, leveraging their deep understanding of data to drive business strategy at the highest levels. Number 3. Pharmacist. These professionals are essential in the healthcare system, ensuring that patients receive the correct medications and understand how to use them safely. Pharmacists work in various settings, including community pharmacies, hospitals, clinics, and even in the pharmaceutical industry, where they may be involved in drug development or regulatory affairs. Education and skills. Becoming a pharmacist typically requires a Doctor of Pharmacy, Pharm.D. degree, which takes about 4 years to complete after undergraduate studies. In addition to their formal education, pharmacists must pass licensing exams in the state where they wish to practice. Pharmacists need strong knowledge of chemistry, biology, and pharmacology, as well as a deep understanding of healthcare regulations and ethics. Excellent communication skills are also essential, as they frequently interact with patients, healthcare providers, and insurance companies. Salary. Pharmacists in the U.S. earn an average salary of $125,000 per year, with the potential to earn more in certain settings, such as hospitals, specialty pharmacies, or pharmaceutical companies. Pharmacists who own their pharmacies or work in high-demand areas, such as oncology or nuclear pharmacy, can earn even higher incomes. Additionally, pharmacists in leadership positions, such as pharmacy directors or managers, often receive additional compensation. Why it pays well. The high earning potential for pharmacists is due in part to the extensive education and training required, as well as the critical role they play in patient care. The demand for pharmacists remains steady, especially with an aging population that requires more medication management and chronic disease treatment. Pharmacists are also increasingly involved in patient counseling, immunizations, and health screenings, further enhancing their value in the healthcare system. Career path. Pharmacists can advance into managerial positions, such as pharmacy director or clinical coordinator, where they oversee pharmacy operations and ensure compliance with regulations. Some may choose to specialize in areas like oncology pharmacy, where they work closely with medical teams to optimize chemotherapy regimens, or in compounding pharmacy, where they create customized medications for patients with unique needs. Others might move into the pharmaceutical industry, working in drug development, regulatory affairs, or medical science liaison roles. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, owning a pharmacy can be a highly rewarding career path. Number 2. Corporate lawyer. These legal professionals work with businesses to navigate the complex world of corporate law, handling everything from mergers and acquisitions to intellectual property and compliance issues. Corporate lawyers play a critical role in advising companies on their legal rights, obligations, and strategies, ensuring that businesses operate within the law while maximizing profitability. Education and skills. Corporate lawyers typically hold a Juris Doctor, JD, degree and have passed the bar exam in their respective states. Many also hold undergraduate degrees in business, finance, or economics, providing them with a strong foundation in the business world. A successful corporate lawyer must have a deep understanding of contract law, securities regulation, mergers and acquisitions, and corporate governance. Excellent negotiation skills, the ability to manage high-pressure situations, and strong analytical abilities are also essential. Salary. The average salary for corporate lawyers is around $130,000 per year, but this can vary widely depending on the size and location of the firm. Lawyers at top-tier firms or those who specialize in high-demand areas of law, like mergers and acquisitions, private equity, or intellectual property, can easily earn $200,000 or more. In major financial centers like New York, London, or Hong Kong, top corporate lawyers may earn significantly higher salaries, especially when bonuses and profit sharing are included. Why it pays well. Corporate lawyers are highly valued for their ability to navigate the legal complexities of the business world. Companies are willing to pay a premium for lawyers who can protect their interests, minimize risks, and ensure compliance with regulations. In high-stakes transactions like mergers, acquisitions, or public offerings, the expertise of a skilled corporate lawyer can make the difference between success and failure, which is why they command such high salaries. Career path. Corporate lawyers can advance to become partners in their firms, where they share in the firm's profits and have a say in its management. Some may move into executive roles, such as general counsel for major corporations, where they oversee all legal matters for the company. Others may choose to specialize further, becoming experts in areas like securities law, intellectual property, or international trade, which can lead to higher earnings and greater career opportunities. Additionally, corporate lawyers with a passion for teaching may transition into academia, shaping the next generation of legal professionals. Number 1. Anesthesiologist. These medical doctors are responsible for administering anesthesia during surgeries and other medical procedures, ensuring patients remain safe and comfortable. Anesthesiologists play a critical role in the surgical team, working closely with surgeons, nurses, and other medical professionals to manage patients' pain and vital functions during procedures. Education and skills. Becoming an anesthesiologist requires extensive education and training, including a bachelor's degree, 4 years of medical school, and a 4-year residency in anesthesiology. Some anesthesiologists also complete fellowships in subspecialties like pediatric anesthesiology, pain management, or critical care medicine, which can lead to higher earnings and more specialized roles. Anesthesiologists must have in-depth knowledge of pharmacology, physiology, and anatomy, as well as the ability to make quick decisions in high-pressure situations. Attention to detail is crucial, as even minor errors in anesthesia can have serious consequences. Salary. Anesthesiologists are among the highest-paid professionals in the healthcare industry, with an average annual salary of $350,000. In some cases, experienced anesthesiologists can earn $400,000 or more, especially in high-demand regions or specialized medical centers. Those working in private practice or serving as department heads in hospitals may see even higher earnings, particularly when bonuses and other incentives are factored in. Why it pays well. The high salary reflects the critical nature of the job, the extensive training required, and the responsibility anesthesiologists bear. They are essential members of the surgical team, and their expertise is vital for patient safety during procedures. The demand for anesthesiologists remains strong, particularly as advances in medicine and an aging population increase the need for surgeries and other medical interventions. Career path. Anesthesiologists can advance into roles such as department head, medical director, or chief of anesthesia, where they oversee the work of other anesthesiologists and manage department operations. Some may choose to specialize further in areas like pain management, where they provide care for patients with chronic pain conditions, or in critical care, where they manage the care of patients in intensive care units. Others may pursue academic or research careers, contributing to the advancement of anesthesiology through teaching or conducting studies on new techniques and treatments. And there you have it, the top 5 jobs that can earn you 6 figures. Each of these careers offers not only financial rewards but also the opportunity to make a significant impact in your field. Whether you're drawn to tech, law, healthcare, or data, these paths can lead you to success and fulfillment. Remember, while these jobs pay well, they also require dedication, hard work, and a commitment to continuous learning. But if you're up for the challenge, the rewards can be well worth it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might be considering their career options, and subscribe to the channel for more insights on career development, personal finance, and success strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.